Morning. Okay, Ayton. It's the it's the May bank holiday, isn't it? I think we've got 2, if not 3, in May here in the UK. Anyway, says the banks are good for something, aren't they? The last few conversations we've had has really centred on us looking for, founders projects that are looking to raise capital. But a lot of people have said to me, Nick, can you spend a bit more time talking about AI, which is something I'm quite close to, not necessarily from a deep technical sort of learning and training the AI itself, sort of coding it if you like, but actually more on its application. But of course, I've also written a TV miniseries, which is, is essentially the plot line is humanity against artificial general intelligence, really. And so I've been spending a lot of time thinking about the implications of AI for humanity. And you may also have read the recent Medium or Thinkers or Substack. If you're on my Substack channel, if you're on my email list, I write quite a lot of exclusive content for the Substack channel, which is really aimed at investors. So if you're an investor and you want to get some different views on things, what to invest in and what's hot, and various perspectives on AI, space, zero gravity stuff, some interesting stuff you may not have considered. But let's just touch on AI basics again, shall we? There's a lot of misinformation about AI. AI is, in a sense, quite often misunderstood at a fundamental level. Artificial intelligence. We can debate what is intelligence. I mean, humans are apparently intelligent. We have the ability to reason. We have the ability to process and problem solve. We have the ability to be creative. We have the ability to understand and express emotions. And in a subtext of artificial intelligence, that you need to remember some of that stuff, because the realms of computational AI is very much algorithms, if-then statements, what-if statements. They are quite traditional, do this, do that, look at this, look at that, and even at a visual sense, if you're trying to do character recognition of AI, of course, it's all about grids and patterns. It's all about, think about pixels, think about squares, think about individual pixels that you might see in your television, and these are very, very definitive small areas, if you like, programmable electric areas that can be shaded or unshaded or partially shaded, and it's a combination of all of those that is the basis to a lot of the optical and character recognition that you see, which is what AI is very good at. It's you train the AI, you have all sorts of different statements around the AI that's explaining what the AI is looking at. And so that, at a very basic level, I just want to confirm that AI is just a set of code, really. And from that point of view, it's certainly from my point of view, it's quite dumb. And you'll hear lots of people talk about narrow AI and then general intelligence, and then of course super intelligence. But there's lots of stages in between, but we're nowhere near that super intelligent stage yet. But in the next conversation we'll keep digging, shall we, about AI, because I do think there's a lot of appetite to understand what it is, the implications, what it means, and where we are with it, because yes, things are moving quickly. So talk soon.